What's up, PipSnipers here, back for another update. Let's take a look at the Russell 2000. I know I gave you guys an update this morning, but what we see over here on the 4-hour time frame is a very nice push off the 70.2% fib. And what I noticed with the Russell 2000 is it does move a lot like an altcoin, right? This is representing the small caps in the United States stock market. You see how volatile these moves are, right? Extremely volatile. And what we see over here is a move down towards the 70.2% fib and a very nice push off of it and out of this wedge back into this range, right? So we're back at these range highs sitting at around 2103, and it's very possible that this could be an ABC correction down, right? What we would want to see here going forward is a push above 2120. And once we start getting some hourly closures above that, then we can confirm higher, right? So we would want to see how 2066 holds for the rest of the week. What we see over here with the United States, with the S&P 500, United States stock market, is a very nice rebound off of the 50% fib. Okay, so this could be a bottom over here, right? Because we have a 5-wave move up, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then you have a 3, 3, 5 for your ABC. And now we're making our way up from the 50% fib for your B wave, right? Because if we take a look here on the 4-hour time frame, what you have over here, well, actually take a look at the daily here. And so basically, back in 2021, the Bitcoin and the crypto market, it topped out with the S&P. And crypto just follows the US stock market. So we have a descending broadening wedge. Then then Bitcoin bottomed out with the S&P for its wave 4. And now we're working on our 5th wave, our macro 5th wave to the upside, right? We have a 5 up, and then you have another flat pattern for your wave 2. So this was your wave 1, wave 2, another 5 up for your 3. You have your 4th wave, and then you have an extension of the 5th wave. And it looks like we already topped out over here at 5,700, which would be the 1.618 extension from our 2021 high down to your October 2022 low. See how we perfectly hit the 1.618 here? Hit the 1.702. Okay, 1.618 to 1.702 for our 5th wave. So it actually, technically, the US stock market is topped. But what this could be is we have already started our correction where we have a 3 down in your A, 3 up in your B, with the B wave coming towards 6127 or 6219 at the 1.236, 1.382. And then you have a 5-wave move to the downside. Now, the more optimistic scenario would be that it comes down here like that, and it forms one more drive up here like this, and then it comes toppling down. That would be the most optimistic scenario. But my bias would be leaning towards that we see some sort of inflection at around 6127 to 6219. Very nice push today off the 50% fib. Daily is looking strong here. Let's take a look at NQ. And I will be updating this wave count here on NQ in the Discord, so click the link in the description if you haven't joined. What we have over here is looks like this may be impulsive, right? This could be a 5 down. Then you have a 3 up, and now we're just making another 5 down. Okay, the more optimistic scenario would be that this is your A, B, C, and then you're forming your C wave higher before we top out. And we'll likely do that with the S&P 500. Let's go back to ES over here. Okay, so remember, the US stock market has to be bullish if to get a bullish crypto market. Remember that. The US stock market comes first. When we take a look here at Dow Jones futures, US30, take a look here at the 30-minute time frame. This is actually a little bit more bearish than the rest of the market because it looks like we broke down from this pennant and now we're just coming back up for a relief rally. So there is a possibility that the Dow Jones has topped, right? The more optimistic scenario would be that this is 3 down. This is your 3 up, right? And then you come down with the US stock market, with the S&P 500, my bad. So yeah, so we'll definitely take a look at this. We'll definitely take a look at this and monitor. Let's go back to RTY over here, Russell 2000. And we're still seeing a nice push on the 4-hour. Let's take a look here at the 65-minute time frame. Yeah, so we want to break above this region over here, sitting at 2105. If you can't break above 2105, which is the range high, then it's likely will come down towards the 78.6% fib or the 88.6% fib, resting at this trendline support over here. Okay, so look, this is the daily time frame. We're forming a potential bullish pin bar over here, right off of the 0.618. Okay, you guys see this? It would actually be the 702 right here. Okay, so very big possibility it grinds up here. Right? We want to take a look at these fibs and how the price reacts to it for the rest of the week. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to let me know. Peace out and take it easy. See you in the next one.